you're a shining star. Oh, me love you. Ooh, brown skin, girl, your skin just like pearl. Your back it there against the.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be using two of Janet's collection wig kits. So one comes with a canvas head and everything else you need to make a wig, and the other one comes with 3 bundles of human hair and 13x6 lace frontal. So this video is not going to be a beginner friendly type of wig tutorial, but I'm just going to be making a wig out of this wig kit. So basically I did a small unboxing of the kit and the things that it came with. So if you're a beginner and you don't know what to buy, you can go ahead and buy one of these kits, because everything you need to make a wig is in each of the kits. So you have T-pins, needle, thread, wig cap, and you also have table clamp to hold your mannequin head. You have the canvas, which is the one that I'm just placing the wig cap on, and you have bonding to glue your wig if that is what you're going for. You also have a lace glue which comes with the wig, the human hair kit. And what else do you have? You have thread. Basically everything that you need to make a wig, you have it in each of the wig kits. You also have some hair clips. So guys, I'll just go ahead and place the lace frontal on my wig cap or on the canvas head, position it in the way that it will fit my head, and I'm going to pin it down using my T-pins that came with the wig kit. And after that, I'm just going to start sewing down the lace frontal.
If you play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know. Tobari me in the street, to say only make them. They got to go. Tobari me in the bed, my calm down. You don't know, bad man. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm through. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want her more. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. You don't know. Vicky, bad man, point instrumental. Giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man, see what they do. Pull up. Bad man, finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man, finna take. Mishka, original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them a random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that cool shit, yeah. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come on, fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh. So nobody better than you. I know. I said nobody proper than you. I know. Girl, one boy and need your money, yo. Need your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We could do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I never do, I'ma go talk up. Baby, you rock on. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I just gotta tell you what's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, original bad man. John Tricks on the beat. Say when I ride a bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one. Them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man, I tell him, me then go.
So guys, after sewing down the wig, I went ahead and cut out the excess piece of lace underneath the lace frontal. I also went ahead and plucked the lace frontal a little bit, which I did off camera because I'm still learning. After plucking the lace, I went ahead and washed the wig. So right now I'm applying the oil that came with the human hair wig kit, and after that I'm going to straighten out the hair a little bit and then coil it. So at first, while I was coiling this hair, it looked really beautiful, but I lost all the coils even before gluing the wig to my head. All the coils had already disappeared. I didn't use the lace frontal glue that came with the wig kit because I don't sleep with my wigs on. I always take my wigs out, so I use the got to be glue free spray to glue down the wig. So right now you can see me coiling the hair like I said, but the coils didn't stay, so I had to do something else with the hair after gluing it to my head. So that's basically all I did for this wig kit. So if you guys find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. And also guys, I'm going to beg you to at least watch one ad from my video, because that is when I get paid. When you watch the ads, I get paid for that. So if you want to support me, please watch one of the ads, 1 or 2 ads. It will go a long way for me. So this is me trying to create something else with the hair, and like I said before, it doesn't hold coils. Maybe next time I'm going to spray some free spray on the hair before coiling it. That way the coils will last. So that's basically all that I did for this video. If you find it helpful, like I said before, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee pay. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me. They want to know. Top of me in the street to myself, will they make them? They got to go. Top of me in the bed, do my calm down. I'm more, yeah. I'm more, yeah. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it dey drive them crazy. I want them, you won't go me. For my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake pussy. Man a bad man, they can try this. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to